With Import and RapidPipeline, you can easily import your 3D or CAD files into 3ds Max. No need to worry about tessellation, axis rotation, or other manual steps. This Lamborghini coffee machine model comes from SolidWorks, so it's not ready for real-time use. It would be possible to manually perform tessellation and then make our model compatible with 3ds Max. But multiple tools might be necessary, and it might get tedious. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Import 3D or CAD file. You first should select your file. Then, you can switch between the CAD or the 3D import options. In this case, we will stick to the CAD options. Even during import, you can adjust powerful settings like remove T-junctions, convert set to Y-axis, or fix winding order, which are great to automatically fix common CAD-related issues. You can even already optimize your model in this step, either by removing invisible parts or by adding a face target for Simplify mesh. Remember that these options are also available in the actions, so you can also use them later. In this case, we'll set the tessellation resolution to fine and hit import. The coffee machine has now been tessellated and imported into our scene. Fast and easy. Depending on your needs, this model might be too high poly. Let's see what happens if I import the same model, but this time I'll set the tessellation resolution to coarse. In wireframe view, you'll notice the reduced face count, potentially saving us an extra decimation step later. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.